There's something about you, girl, and I don't think it's just your smile. I don't know how to say it now. I've been thinking for a while. The best way to say it, woman, your energy is right, yeah.
Ochirea St. Anne is our location for this week's episode of Predis. I'm your host, Michaela Liana, and on behalf of the Predis team, we'd like to wish you all a Happy New Year. Drewsland was the location for another staging of Get a Splash. We were there for the highlights, so check it out.
Be an idiot, can't afford a pill. When me looking at my fridge ice alone, me I forgot it's still light alone and chill. Every ghetto youth, but find a skill. Application form for a fit. Buy mama house and land, no fun. Air condition with a grill. Man I come from nothing. So
why you used to Get a Splash, Karma?
Well, you don't know. We get called feet. You see me, from a good source, and we just say we are come out, come show with talent. Because remember, we're not busted, so we have to grasp at every opportunity we come.
So what are you working on now musically?
Well, I don't know. Ambition. Biggest single I come out right now, Highway Records. You understand? Big up Highway Records, and there, Highway Records, Highway Records, Highway Records, Highway Records. God, you see me? Now we and them forward, Highway Records. You see me? Don't know, out of the camp there with the East Kingston, Bayshore Park. You see me, just a team and we just do the music, energy right. So you don't know, we just work together same way and I do it.
I'm going to encourage you to stay in school and stop for that friend. And listen to the parents. Balance. You start falling on the wrong crew, start prove what it can do. I smoke weed and I gamble when it's in the classroom. Your mother's gonna ask you, just to say you come to school. You never study agriculture, no, you want to come farm fool. Boy, bad influence.
Big up Get a Splash, you know, I say 20 years strong and them thing. You don't know if you come and support homegrown venues. As a upcoming artist, you don't know how to perform at the thing them way. At them set the pace. You don't know big up Patrick Roberts, Jamie Roberts. You see me, big up my management, big up everybody. Big up the whole Get a Splash. The Vera Chat, look out, 2017 I got burn up. Well, Magnum open a whole heap of doors, you know, because right now we there Get a Splash. Right now I would have a good management team behind me. People would believe me and support my music if I never really go out there and work hard for it, and Magnum really give me that push there. EP, you don't know, can look out for that 8-track something there. 2-track bonus, 6-track regular. You don't know a mad thing, only for anthem, only for thing for look out for, man.
I got to get the most I pray. From your city, it's the most I pray.
Hold your head up high in the sky. Reach up on the railroad and slice. Only he that's gonna take our life.
Well, Get a Splash is me, you know. I am the ghetto, and this is the Get a Splash. So it's me splashing out to all the people that is here, you know. These are the people that need Dre Island message. So I say everybody need it, but these people are my people. And Jah inspire I and I to lead I people, then the wider world. So we give thanks to the opportunity, you know, from Patrick Roberts and Young Vibes, Jamie, you know, Hakeem Roberts, you know, to be a part of the show. So I say, yeah man, and big up all the sponsors them who's a part of this event, because it's not a paid event, it's a free event. What I did was give them more of their culture, something that they can relate to, more than, you know, something I said that I would do in Europe or in England, you know what I'm saying, or in, somewhere else out of this country. You know, I give them more of a dancehall culture with the message that make it reggae.
That's the point you from the west.
Why Ghetto Splash?
Yeah, man, I mean, we are ghetto youth, you know, when I come from uptown, you know, I want to have to brag and boast and show about certain things, but Ghetto Splash is the people, let me show, and we represent people, so we love it. I want to tell some sorry I missed last year. Yeah, sure. We represent bringing artists together and, you know, showing people that side of the music. All them youth, I respect them talent and them music. And some rising star them. I know when me that step up, I never did get whole heap of that from whole heap of artists, so I want to kind of give artists that. Big up the artists that did give us strength, but I really my father, I have to big up my father, because him say go on youth, you know, so if we can do that for some youth, why not?
Reggae artist Dre Island is working on some new songs and he's also working on a new album. Let's hear more from him.
Project coming out in the new year. Talk to me about that.
Alright, Project Now Arise is Dre Island long awaited first project ever of its nature, and it will be released 2017 January. Exact date is not set yet, but it will be out soon on all social media. You know, you can look out for my new songs, you know, songs out on the YVP production that produced by Jamie, also producer of the show too, you know. The song is titled Smile. So may I say it's a song to elevate you, uplift you from all the past, whatever it might be. So may I say we are Bounce About from the Project Now Arise, featuring Agent Sasko. So may I say, and that I go on right now, I mash up the world. You know, M16 is the first single from that project. So music is going on strong.
Boys keep playing my head just like a favorite song. Just to see you smile each day, it keeps me growing strong. And when it comes to making love, we going on and on. And now I got to say to you, all the beautiful ladies, don't you cry, my lover. You'll be alright, so many try my love, but they couldn't arrive to where we are. With love, girl, oh girl, where we are.
2016 breakout artist Shenseea checks in with us and we roll out the video premiere of the week. All that and more right after the break.
Yes, the sun it hot like fire, but I still have to go try and get you when me have to do today. Me friend them pan the economy, I link them and we gonna ride up soon. Go look around me say, I ride home set, I play home set, I stay home set, I drink home set. Me friend them bill is rid them with alcohol and drink it in them with alcohol. I cool for life, I cool for life.
We are top man, we take charge. Magnum we drink out, we are shell down bars. Blast like a star in some gala bar. Overdo it, we take it too far. Take charge, take charge.
We are hot gal, we set the trend. Magnum we drink for the top man them. Wine with the style, no stop from spend. Hot blend, back bend, and take charge, take charge. Ready for the video, we are prime time. Anywhere you see we go, we are headline. We back, we talk, we own waistline. Cut the cock, now we ready for the wine. Take charge, take charge.
You know I give we Magnum buckle. Slide and a glide and a bust big tackle. Big sound a rise and the whole place rockle. No, we turn up in a stand. Take charge, take charge. Overdo it, we take it too far.
Wine with the style. Wine with the style.
Magnum tonic wine for the real star them.